Ciao amici, Lorenzo here, and today I have something molto speciale for you. Want to learn useful Italian phrases quickly? Say buongiorno to Parliamo in Italia, a completely free Italian flashcard tool created by the human workforce. Choose the situations you want to practice. Hear each phrase spoken at normal or slow speed. Check the Italian pronunciation and flip every card to reveal the English translation. You can shuffle conversations, save difficult cards for more practice, add your own phrases, and even study emergency expressions before your next trip to Italy. And here is the best part. This useful little app was built in minutes with AI and codecs. So visit Parliamo-in-italia.fly.dev and start learning Italian today for free. Then subscribe to the Human Workforce to discover how you can build custom AI tools like this for yourself with practical tips, ideas, and step-by-step guidance. Learn Italian faster. Build smarter with AI. And remember, when opportunity knocks, answer the door with a confident "Ciao, a presto."